Welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants. In this video, we take a look at the secrets to keeping your lucky bamboo thriving. You will find out about the essential nutrients your lucky bamboo needs and get to know some tips and tricks for making your own homemade fertilizer. Lucky bamboo is a beautiful and easy to care for plant, but it's important to give it the right nutrients to thrive. Otherwise, it can turn yellow and die quickly. So, subscribe to Garden Bamboo Plants YouTube channel and let's get started. The nutrients lucky bamboo needs. Lucky bamboo plants need a variety of nutrients to thrive, including both macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are essential nutrients that plants need in large quantities, while micronutrients are also important for plant growth and development but are required in smaller quantities. Here are some of the most important nutrients for lucky bamboo. Nitrogen. Essential for leaf growth and green color. Phosphorus. Vital for root development and flowering. Potassium. Involved in photosynthesis, water transport, and disease resistance. Magnesium. For chlorophyll production. Iron. For chlorophyll production and oxygen transport. Calcium. Essential for cell wall strength and disease resistance. Without the proper nutrients, lucky bamboo plants can develop a variety of problems, such as yellow leaves, stunted growth, brown stems, and susceptibility to pests and diseases. Homemade fertilizer options. There are several homemade fertilizers that you can make to provide your lucky bamboo with the essential nutrients it needs. Here are a few options. Eggshell fertilizer. Eggshells are a good source of calcium. To make eggshell fertilizer, simply dry and crush eggshells into a powder. You can then add a teaspoon of eggshell powder to your plant's water or soil every few weeks. Coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds are a good source of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and iron. To use coffee grounds as fertilizer, simply add a handful to your lucky bamboo's water or soil once a week. Banana peel fertilizer. Banana peels are a good source of potassium and other micronutrients. To make banana peel fertilizer, chop up banana peels and add them to your plant's water or soil every 2 weeks. Seaweed fertilizer. Seaweed is a good source of many essential nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and iron. To make seaweed fertilizer, soak seaweed in water overnight and then strain the liquid. You can then add the seaweed liquid to your plant's water or soil once a month. Compost tea fertilizer. Compost tea is a liquid fertilizer made by steeping compost in water. It is a good source of macro and micronutrients, as well as beneficial microbes. To make compost tea fertilizer, simply steep the compost in water for 24 to 48 hours and then strain the liquid. You can then add the compost to your plant's water or soil once a week. These are just a few examples of homemade fertilizers that you can make for your lucky bamboo. Many other recipes are available online and in gardening books. Check out the video descriptions for more details. If you have not subscribed yet, click the subscribe notification on the top right corner of this video now. Using your homemade fertilizer. When using homemade fertilizers, it is important to start with a small amount and increase gradually as needed. Important tips for fertilizing your lucky bamboo. Careful not to over-fertilize your lucky bamboo, as this can damage the plant. It is also important to flush the container with water after fertilizing to remove any excess nutrients. By providing your lucky bamboo with the essential nutrients it needs, you can help it thrive for many years to come. We hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your own homemade fertilizer for lucky bamboo. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more lucky bamboo care tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. At Garden Bamboo Plants YouTube channel, we have a variety of other videos on growing lucky bamboo plants, so be sure to check those out as well.